Greetings, fellow human. Have you ever just wondered what antimatter is and why you should care about it? Well, without further ado, let's get on with your questions. To answer this question is pretty simple. You see, like every other thing in this universe, even matter has its own counterpart called antimatter. To put it simply, if matter is Salmon Bhai, then antimatter is Vivek Oberoi.
मैं आ जाऊं क्या अपनी पर अब मैं बोलता हूं तेरे को मिल मेरे को कई बार.
You see, every elementary particle has its own counterpart. A negatively charged electron has a positively charged positron as its counterpart. Similarly, protons have antiprotons as their counter. When these positron and antiprotons come together, they form antimatter atoms. Unlike dark matter, antimatter can be seen and touched, although that would end up in a very violent explosion. Antimatter has been created by various laboratories all around the world, prominent among which are CERN and Fermilab. You see, it is by far the most costliest thing mankind has ever created. A gram of antimatter will cost you around $62.5 trillion, which is slightly less than the revenue this channel generates. Antimatter is created by ultra-high-speed collisions at the Large Hadron Collider back in CERN using photons. Every time matter comes in contact with antimatter, they annihilate each other. This is because although matter and antimatter have same mass, they have opposite charge. Hence the annihilation takes place. This annihilation is said to be theorized that it can be used in making antimatter bombs. Humans, obviously. But while a nuclear bomb has only around 2 to 3% efficiency, this antimatter bomb is said to be 100% efficient. So you cannot even imagine the destruction this bomb can cause. Although thankfully we do not have enough antimatter yet to make such bombs possible. Both matter and antimatter were created during the Big Bang explosion. You see, after just in the initial moments of the Big Bang explosion, these matter and antimatter particles collided violently and too much annihilation took place. But yet for some reason, matter was in more quantity than antimatter. Hence there was not a total 100% annihilation and some matter got left behind. And this matter went on and evolved and made the galaxies, like our Milky Way galaxy, the Andromeda galaxy, and it made all the galaxies, the stars, and eventually me and you. Scientists theorize that this antimatter which was created during the Big Bang explosion, maybe it got drifted away somewhere, and so there is a possibility that there might be an entire anti-worlds out there, anti-world, anti-me, anti-you living in an anti-earth. So before Spider-Man 2099 comes and takes me away for breaking a canon event, I would like to end this video here. If you like this video, then please do subscribe to our channel. It would help me a lot. And until next time, I'll be your friendly neighborhood, the Astrophile.